In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Meta Ads Manager 2026. Facebook Ads Manager tutorial, 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to Facebook Ads Manager. You can search for Facebook Ads Manager or go directly to the official page. On that page, select Go to Ads Manager. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Use your usual secure method and complete any verification if asked, then continue into Ads Manager. Once you're in, you should land on the campaigns dashboard. This is the main view where your campaigns, ad sets, and ads live. From here, look to the left-hand menu. If the menu is collapsed, expand it so you can see more options. Click All Tools to open the full set of tools and shortcuts for your business account. In the expanded menu, choose Business Settings. This will take you to the administrative area for your business assets and preferences. Inside Business Settings, find and click Settings. This is where personal and account level preferences, including language, are managed. Now look for Language Settings. This section controls the language of the interface across Meta's business tools. Open Language Settings and find the App Language area. This is important. The app language determines the language of the buttons, menus, and labels you see in Ads Manager and related business tools. It doesn't translate the text of your ads or posts, just the interface you use to manage them. Next, select Account Language. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through and choose the language you want to use. If you work with teams across regions, pick the language that helps you be most efficient. Keep in mind that the options you see may vary slightly depending on your region and account setup. After selecting your preferred language, confirm by clicking OK. The interface may refresh, and in some cases you might see a brief reload while the new language is applied. If it doesn't update immediately, refresh your browser tab to make sure everything takes effect. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see business settings, make sure you're in the correct business account and that you have the right permissions. If the All Tools panel looks different, look for a grid or menu icon that reveals more options. And if you use multiple browsers or devices, you may need to set your language preference in each place for a consistent experience. That's it. You've successfully changed the language in Meta Ads Manager. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.